Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Shree's Beauty Wallet. As promised, I am back with the second part of the Detan series. This part is all about DIY and home remedies, and for the ones who loves natural ingredient and does not want to put chemical on the skin. Please do watch this video till the end, and those who haven't watched my first part of the Detan series, please do watch. I have explained everything about tanning and pigmentation, and the link of the video will be attached on the top. I will give you a detailed information about all the ingredients used in the video, and I will also explain you why have I included all those particular ingredients for this detan treatment. Let's start with our home remedy treatment. We are going to make a pack which includes kasturi haldi. I would suggest you not to use normal turmeric. Try and use kasturi haldi. Kasturi haldi is very good for skin. Kasturi haldi will not only help you in reducing your tanning, it will give you an even skin tone, and it will also reduce your blemishes and acne scars. Next, we are going to use tomatoes, which are loaded with vitamin C and which has a natural skin brightening agent. Tomatoes contain natural astringent property which make them an ideal ingredient to remove that extra oil from our face. It not only reduces open pores, it also prevents the skin from whiteheads. Tomatoes are power packed with a natural compound called lycopene, which is an antioxidant that acts as a sunscreen to our skin. Next, we are going to use yogurt, which is a very good moisturizer and skin lightener for your skin. It fades blemishes and pigmentations and reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Now let's start making the face pack followed by the application. I'll take 1 teaspoon of kasturi haldi, 2 full spoon of curd, and now I'm going to grate some tomato. The pearl. We'll make a smooth paste of it. Now I'll start applying this pack. I am using this flat brush for applying my pack. I have kept this pack for 15 minutes. You can keep it for 15 minutes. After that, just wipe it with a wet tissue. I have used this pack on my face. You can use anywhere in your arms, feet, back, wherever you like. Splash lot of water and remove the face pack properly and pat dry with a towel. There will be a yellowish tint on your face, but that will go after a few minutes. After you clean off the pack, we will make a thick serum with vitamin E capsule, honey, rose water and lemon juice. This serum will be very important to your skin because we are using vitamin E capsule, that is a lipid soluble vitamin that will stabilize your cell membrane of your skin. And then honey is a humectant which will help your skin absorb and retain moisture. It acts as a natural antioxidant. It has antimicrobial property which will help your skin in protecting, preventing and repairing from further damages. Next, I will use lemon juice, which is a great source of vitamin C that will help you to reduce your tanning and pigmentation. This is my favorite Dabur Gulabari Rose Water, which will help the skin to maintain its pH balance. I will take this 2 vitamin E capsule for the serum. I'll cut this into half. Just take the oil from it. I'll use half teaspoon of honey. Try and get organic honey. This is pure organic honey. Organic honey is available everywhere. So you'll get, either you can order it from Amazon as well. Half lemon juice. You can take it as 3 ml of lemon juice. And 2 full spoon of rose water. And mix it very nicely. And your serum is ready. Now I am going to use this serum with a cotton pad. Don't rub this pack, just dab it. Keep this serum for 10 minutes and then wipe it with a tissue. If you want, you can put water as well. I will end this treatment with a relaxation mask. Lot of people might call it in a different name. It is made up of our very own and known besan, and this is the most important ingredient in removing tan, but it will also help in exfoliating your dead skin. I will add some aloe vera gel to it. This is an organic aloe vera gel. I got it from Kerala. This is pure aloe vera gel. You can understand the stickiness of it. Try and find some pure aloe vera gel for this pack, since we are using everything pure to it and not chemicals, so I will advise you to use something very pure. Next, I will add some rose water to it. I use it for fragrance. It is optional. It is up to you. I can 4 full tablespoon of besan here, and I will take 1 full tablespoon of organic aloe vera gel. This is organic, so it will be a bit thick. In this, you can mix water or rose water. I am adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of rose water. I'll mix it very nicely. This mask will be very thick, so keep that in mind while mixing things. Now I'll start applying this mask. Try and keep a thick layer on your face. Keep this mask for 20 minutes and then wash it with water. Once your pack is off, you will see that your yellowish tint has also gone and your face will be completely detanned. On the days you are doing this treatment, I will suggest you to complete this treatment with a nice night care regime. You can use a Venusia cream, which I have explained you in my last video, or I'll give you another option, that is this Caladryl. You can use this as well. If you have a oily skin, you can use this alone, and if you have a dry skin, I will suggest you to use a vitamin E capsule, or you can use this with Evian E cream, which I generally use this with Caladryl. So it's up to you which one you choose. This is Caladryl Skin Soothing Solution. One of the best product which I have come across in terms of sunburn and skin allergies. I will mix the Caladryl lotion with this Evian cream, which has aloe vera and vitamin E. I will take a generous amount of this Caladryl cream on my hand and mix this Evian cream with it and layer it on my face. Even if you're using great moisturizer, great toner, expensive mask, great home remedies, you will put everything it on a drain if you're not using a sunscreen. This is one of the most important ingredient which lot of you might be forgetting. Let me first tell you, sunscreen is not a beauty product. Though it has its own beauty benefits, but it is much more than that. It is a skincare product. It is very important to use sunscreen on a daily basis. It is recommended by dermatologists as well. Always look for sunscreen which has broad spectrum, non-comedogenic and hypoallergenic. Now let me explain you these three. Broad spectrum means they offer protection from both UVA and UVB rays. Non-comedogenic means they are less likely to cause whiteheads in your skin, and hypoallergenic means they are less likely to produce allergic reaction or rashes to your skin. Now let us understand the SPF game. Sun protecting factor is a measure of protecting our skin from UVB rays. The higher the SPF will be, the more will be the protection from UVB rays. If you are someone who stays most of the time outside or you have outdoor work, you use SPF of 50 to 60, and if you are someone who stays most of the time at home, you can go for 15 to 20 kind of SPF. For Indian skin tone, it is essential to look at PA value. It indicates protection from UVA rays. For a suppose for a sunscreen, it will have PA+, PA++, PA triple+. For Indian skin tone, I will recommend you to go for PA triple+, whatever may be the SPF it is. Having said that, the effect of even the best of the sunscreen will only last you for 2 hours. Ideally, it should be reapplied for every 2 hours. Remember to apply your sunscreen back of your neck, earline and hairline. Use at least 3 ml of sunscreen on your face, that is half teaspoon, and 6 ml, that is full teaspoon, on your arms and feet. It is very important to use sunscreen on back as well. On the last video I showed you UV screen sunscreen. This time I have another option. Last time I went to Goa and I found this VLCC sunscreen gel with SPF 60. I forgot my sunscreen. Guys, that is a crime. Don't ever do that. In Goa, most of the time I will be on the beach. So I was really searching for a very good sunscreen. So I found this as VLCC water resistant sunscreen gel cream. Let me read out what it says. It has SPF 60 PA+++, which I always see on sunscreen. And it also has olive oil and carrot extract, and it is also written that it long lasting protection, resists tanning and moisturizes skin. But what I found in this sunscreen, it is very hydrating sunscreen, and I will suggest you, for the people who have really dry skin, this is the best pick for you. It has a mild tint. It will not give you full coverage, but it has a mild tint, as you can see. Now let me tell you one thing, every skin is unique and will behave differently even with the same product and DIY and home remedies. So it's always better to do a patch test. I hope this video was informative and helpful to you all. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel, and do follow me on Instagram for all the latest updates. And do not forget to comment if you have any question regarding this treatment.